scatter graph is a way of showing the relationship between two variables using points plotted on a graph. If both variables increase together, so the points trend upward, we call this positive correlation. If one variable increases as the other decreases, so the points trend downward, we call this negative correlation. If the points show no clear pattern at all, we say there is no correlation. Let's look at worked example 1, hours studied against test score. Here the points trend from the bottom left of the graph up to the top right. As hours studied increases, test score also increases. This is an example of positive correlation. Now let's look at worked example 2, car age against car value. This time the points trend from the top left of the graph down to the bottom right. As the car gets older, its value goes down. This is an example of negative correlation. Here is a useful trick for reading any scatter graph. Trace the general direction of the whole cloud of points with your finger, moving from left to right. If your finger moves upward, that's positive correlation. If your finger moves downward, that's negative correlation. If your finger stays roughly level, with no clear direction, that's no correlation. Now, a common trip-up to watch out for. Learners sometimes describe the correlation by looking at just 2 or 3 individual points, rather than the overall trend of all the points together. This can be very misleading because a couple of points can look like they're going one way even when the whole pattern is going another way. So here is the teaching tip. Before you describe the correlation, imagine drawing a single straight line through the middle of the whole point cloud. Describe the slope of that imagined line, not the position of any individual point, and you will always get the correlation right.